Hi everyone, the topic of the day is making comparisons and questions with look like, be like, like. Now have a look at this picture and what it says. There are risks and costs to action, but they are far less than the long-range risks of comfortable inaction, says John F. Kennedy. Here you can see that there is some comparison here. Starting with making comparisons. Let's start with some examples. She's shorter than her sister. She's more easygoing than her sister. Or she's calmer than her sister. He is the best one in the town. He is the most famous one in the town. Other comparative forms are as, adjective as, less, adjective than. For example, she isn't as hardworking as her sister. She is less famous than her mother. When we want to describe small differences between two people or two things, we can say he is a little shorter than his brother. So a little, adjective than. What about big differences? We describe big differences by using much, adjective than, or by far. Anne is much younger than me. He is by far the best author in the world. Other useful phrases for comparing are different from, similar with, the same as. Let's see the examples. She looks completely different from her sister. Her smile is similar with her father's. It means with the smile of her father. Her eyes are the same as her grandmother's. Now moving to questions with look like, be like, and like. When we want to describe people, we use look like to ask about appearance. What does he or she look like? And then the answer would be, he is tall, he has got green eyes and fair hair. So how does the person look like outside appearance? And then we should use be like to ask for a general description or about personality. The question is, what is she like? The answer would be, she is very intelligent and fun person. So careful, use only what is she like. The answer will be to describe the person in general or the personality of that person. We can use like to ask about tastes. What does he like? The answer would be, he likes playing the violin and swimming. Or he doesn't like playing tennis. So what does the person like? The taste of that person in different aspects. Here you have some questions that you can answer. In this way you can practice the questions with be like or look like or like. So let's see the first one. What's your sister like? Or what's your brother like? How is he or she? What's the weather like? What does he or she like doing? What does he or she look like? What's he or she like? Or what does he like doing or she like doing? What's your room like? What does your room look like? They look all similar or the same, but careful, they are not. So remember what we said before and answer the questions accordingly.